Hey, beautiful people, what up, though? Today we are walking through Old Navy. I haven't been in Old Navy in such a long time, but let's just sit back, see what they have. Old Navy had a lot of sales in here today. Starting with these joggers, that's $8. I think the joggers were $8. No. I'm lying, girl. Those joggers were, how much were they? Um, let's see. I believe they were $34.99. But yeah, the t-shirts were $8. But yeah, let's just get into this video and see what Old Navy has. They have some really cute stuff in here. Like I said, a lot of sales. Those are clearance items right there. And they even have the famous Old Navy flip-flops out already. Not as many as they will in the coming spring. As you can see outside, we got a little snow. But yeah, let's just get right into this video. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Thank you for returning. Hey, while you're here, if you have not, why don't you hit that subscribe button, girl? What are you waiting on? All right, let's get into it.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Something caught my eye. Let's walk over here and look at these cute Valentine's Day lounge sets. The shorts and the tank, they are $12 each, and I believe, yeah, the tops are 12 and the bottoms are 20. They say joggers, but I'm not sure if the shorts were $12 or not, but they're cute for Valentine's Day if you want to walk around the house looking cute. Um, yeah, they had the red and white shorts and the tank top. I thought those were really cute. They had a variety of different sets. Another one, which is along the lines of Valentine's, was this red, white, and blue set that says love. Super cute.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good, good till we act right. So tell me what we on the day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone, flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. No, you can, I'm out here.
Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
This was their clearance section. This whole little section right here is all clearance. Even the shoes, all of that whole shoe, what do you call it, a rack, it's clearance. So I thought that was pretty cool. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video.